What if I told you that you could capture the exact same profit from 100 shares of a top-tier stock without tying up thousands in capital, paying broker margin interest, or buying risky call options? Right now, companies that have been very profitable for decades are down 30%, 40%, even 50% from their highs because the stock market has discarded and ignored all the stocks that are not AI related. But while some of these quality businesses are the cheapest they've been in years, they still carry a very hefty price tag, hundreds of dollars just to own one share. To own 100 shares, you may need $20,000, $30,000, even $50,000 on a single position. And for most investors, that's too big. So they usually settle for one or two float options. Number one, they buy using margin, and the broker charges them a lot of interest every month, eating their profits while they wait for the rebound. Or number two, they buy call options. Cheap, yes, but a standard call option loses value the moment the clock starts ticking. And if volatility drops, you could also lose money even if the stock price goes up. But there's a third strategy smart traders use to capture the full upside of 100 shares with just a fraction of the cash required. So here's how it works. Say there's a very high quality stock trading at $100. To own 100 shares, it costs $10,000 in capital. Now with this strategy, your upfront cash is just a fraction of that. Yet if the stock rebounds from 100 to 150, you make the exact same profit as if you own the entire 100 shares outright. Look, with the market's obsession with AI, a historic valuation gap has formed, leaving fundamentally rock-solid, non-AI cash-generating businesses still unfairly in the bargain bin. With this special option strategy, you'll be learning in my upcoming Anti-Bubble Mania live online event. You get to pocket the inflated, fear-driven premiums from panic investors to completely fund your upside, meaning you get to enter the trade at a net zero premium cost, while also controlling the upside of 100 shares of a ready-to-rally value stock for just a fraction of the capital. These undervalued bargain stocks won't sit in the bargain bin forever. When these businesses rebound, the investors who position early for a fraction of the cash are the ones who capture the majority of the upside. You'll be learning the full strategy at the Anti-Bubble Mania live online event. So click the button around this video to claim your spot now. I look forward to seeing you there. May the markets be with you.